If you like our video content, please click to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive all our latest video content. Now, let's get into today's topic.
%50 of civil servants in PUTRAJAYA obese. PUTRAJAYA, half of all civil servants in PUTRAJAYA are obese, Chief Secretary to the government Shri Diwt Ali has revealed. He said this was why it was important for civil servants to take part in healthy activities. Diwt was speaking to reporters on the sidelines of a run in conjunction with the Car-Free Day program here. The program was launched by Deputy Prime Minister Diwt Yusuf. Others present were Minister in the Prime Minister's Department, Federal Territories, Dr. Zalaha Mustafa and Public Service Department, PSD Director General, DG Diwt Ahmed Dalan Abdulaziz. Diwt said the run would be expanded to include every ministry and agency nationwide. This is to encourage healthier lifestyles among civil servants. Meanwhile, on preparations for Merdeka celebrations, Diwt said all agencies have lined up various programs in the run-up to August 31st. Over 1,500 civil servants and their family members participated in today's Car-Free Day program, which is held monthly. Previously, Zalaha said PUTRAJAYA residents have a higher rate of obesity and high blood pressure, as well as a lack of physical activity compared to the national average.
Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to show your support.